Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some fun, easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs today. We're going to be using the Dollar Tree Easter Bunny tier tray. This was so cute for $5. It's light blue, and all you have to do is kind of stand it up. It's great for storage because you can take it down like this, but it's a two-tier tray that I think is going to be perfect for coastal Easter crafting, which is my theme on this first Easter DIY. So to do that, I'm just going to fill it in with some of the browner floral moss here on the top and the bottom, scattering that out, trying to make it look a little bit like a nesting material. You could also use Spanish moss for this pretty easily. And then we're going to fill it in with things I found from the Target Dollar Spot and Dollar Tree. So these are really great little like seagrass looking carrots that I found at the Target Dollar Spot. They're a great size. You could always use the string carrots from the Dollar Tree, or they have some really cute ones as well. But I really like the neutral colors of this. I'm just going to pile the 3 carrots here in the bottom tier of this Dollar Tree tray. And then I also found the matching Easter eggs. So cute. And so I'm gonna scatter these around my tray as well with some fun Easter eggs. Let's make a little nest of them up here on the top tier. It's filling up really nicely. I found some other items, these little flocked chicks from the Target Dollar Spot for $1. You could also use the little walking chicks from the Dollar Tree. They're really cute this year. I found this great little floral for $1. Sometimes the Dollar General and the Dollar Spot can be cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And then some of the Dollar Tree little mossy bunnies here for the bottom. Such a quick, easy Easter tier tray DIY using that great tier tray from the Dollar Tree. For the next Easter Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to use a vase and some of these bottle brush carrot picks from the Dollar Tree. I thought I could pair them with some of the onion grass from the Dollar Tree to make a really cool little carrot vase display. And I wanted to get really creative with this one, and so I'm actually going to use some of the faux grass as well. Now this one had Easter eggs on it, so I had to remove that, but otherwise I just have the onion grass. I thought it would be really fun and quirky to cover my Dollar Tree vase with some of that faux grass from the Dollar Tree. This is from the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. I love crafting with this stuff. It's so fun for Easter, and it is just a faux turf. I am just going to sketch out here exactly how tall I need this to be, and I cut out enough of it to go all the way around the vase. That way the greenery is on the outside of the vase as well as all of the greenery and carrots that are going to be coming out of the top of it. I just attach it with hot glue. It worked pretty well. I wasn't sure, but it's got this great like black matting material on the back of it that allows you to work with it pretty well. Now it's time to fill this up with some onion grass and some of those bottle brush carrots to see how this turned out. The bottle brush carrot picks are a little bit interesting. I wasn't sure at first what I was going to do with those, but I think this is a fun, creative way. It makes them look like they're growing out of the grass there from the vase, and I just use 3 of them. I like the look of odd numbers when I'm working with a vase like this. And then for a little floral touch, I thought maybe some white flowers would be cute as well, just mixed in to give it a little bit of a floral vibe. And so I just cut some of the smaller pieces and go around the base just to add another little fun touch to this vase DIY. I think these are really fun Easter Dollar Tree DIYs. If you would like more, I have tons of them over on my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!